a technique called foam glass technique. You mix glass, but you combine it with elements like bicarbonate or soda. Beautiful samples that are made. You get all these bubbles and interactions when you put it in the heat. What is exciting is when you bring in these elements into the glass, that they become something very surprisingly unique. Like if you have like silver and silver number 7, you get very different effects. Blues tend to be copper, and aluminium is more kind of a silverish. Sometimes it can become like blackish. Silver, it will be yellow. Beautiful in a way. Wow, look at the drops that they have on the top there. They are incredible as well. So we went to 760, nearly 2 hours and a half. This is glass working with science. It never ends, and it's also the surprises, they are incredible what you can achieve. Is it that good? Do you like that?
I like that.